How to use BnkToTheFuture app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think BnkToTheFuture is just a crowdfunding platform, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that can cost them both time and money. Here's how to use it properly. BnkToTheFuture allows investors to access equity, debt, and tokenized assets from startups and fintechs. The first mistake is skipping due diligence. Beginners often invest based on hype, ignoring company fundamentals, financials, or market fit. Always review prospectuses, valuations, and growth projections. The second mistake is ignoring minimum investment requirements and liquidity. Many early-stage investments have lock-in periods. Failing to account for this can create cash flow problems if you need quick access to funds. Another common error is lack of diversification. Investing all funds into one startup is risky. Spread capital across several companies or sectors to mitigate potential losses. Beginners also neglect platform tools. BnkToTheFuture provides analytics, investor updates, and portfolio tracking. Ignoring these features limits informed decision-making and strategic allocation. Finally, some users overlook fees and regulatory requirements. Early-stage investments may involve management fees, transaction costs, and cross-border regulations. Not understanding these can impact returns. Used correctly, BnkToTheFuture is more than a crowdfunding platform. It's a strategic gateway to alternative investments. Conduct due diligence, plan for liquidity, diversify, use platform tools, and understand fees and regulations. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter investing and long-term growth.